Hey everyone, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to add the PitchHub teleprompter app to your Zoom account and also pay for it. And paying for it's always easy, but there's other things too that you need to consider, and that is applying the license to your account. It's not easy, and there's a couple of things you have to go through from Zoom's perspective in order to get this done. So this is a quick overview of how to get that done. So basically what you want to do is you want to get the app. Okay, get the app and then you can add the app right from the Zoom marketplace. What you also want to do here is you can allow permissions if you want or not, but then once you do that, it will initiate the teleprompter. Now this is the free version and you may have to reauthorize it. This is a new release that just came out, so you may have to reauthorize the app. It will then check the license. Once it's checked the license, then you are good to go. And that's just from the Zoom workplace, right? You can also then, if you want to use the teleprompter, if you want to record a Zoom clip, you can do that by just popping the teleprompter out and then moving it to where you want it on the screen. And there you go. But let's get into more about how to, once the trial is over, or if you want to pay for the app, this is how you do it. So you want to subscribe here. And then basically you can then put in your payment information. You can go to added, where your app is on it within the Zoom environment. And so basically you go to added apps, you can click on the teleprompter itself and then go down and basically do the same thing, right? You want to subscribe. You add your billing information. Once you've added all your billing information, make sure that all that is taken care of. You can then authorize the app. You authorize the permissions for the user on the account, which is typically you, or maybe if you have got multiple accounts, you can then do it that way too. But basically, you want to make sure that this all coincides with your teleprompter and with your Zoom account. So this is pretty important here. So you want to allow all the users in the account or just you as a user, and that'll show up. Now, if you get to the licenses portion here and you don't see that it's been applied to somebody, that tells you that you have to then at some point go in and apply an email address to the teleprompter. Now that's associating the email address to a specific user. This is very important. So you can go in and do it here. You can click on all users or add the user specifically right here. You can do that, put in your email address, apply the license to that specific user. Okay, and then you assign that user to the account. Another thing here, remember earlier when I said the licenses? Now it shows that there is a license being applied to that account. It's very important. If you do not see this, you can email us at info@pitchhub.com and we can help you through this. But basically, you're going to need to see this or your app is not going to work in the Zoom environment. But if you've got to get any problems, just email us at info@pitchhub.com. Thank you so much for watching.